Next topic, addition and subtraction of dissimilar RAE. Dissimilar meaning, iba po yung magkaiba yung denominator. Reviewin muna natin to. Addition of dissimilar fractions. So we have here 1/2 and 1/3. So magkaiba po yung denominator. Now, yung traditional way, we will get the LCD. So by just multiplying 2 and 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. Then, divide sa denominator, then multiply sa numerator. 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 1. This will become 3 over 6. Then 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 1. This will become 2 over 6. Then we have to add numerator and numerator. 3 plus 2 is 5 over, just copy the denominator which is 6. So 5 over 6. Or, yung mas mabilis, multiply lang. 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1 times 2. This will become 2 over, multiply lang yung denominators. 2 times 3 is 6. Then, 3 plus 2, this will become 5 over 6. So, parehas lang yung sagot. Okay, let's go now with addition and subtraction of the similar RAE. Given sa atin, 2y over 3 plus 4y over 5. So, gawin natin yung shortcut kasi medyo simple pa naman yung problem. So, 2y times 5, this will become 10y. Then, 4y times 3, so plus, this will become 12y over 3 times 5, this will become 15. Then, add the numerical coefficients ng numerator. So, 10y plus 12y. So, 10 plus 12, this will become 22y. Just copy the variable over 15. So, since wala nang pwedeng i-simplify, this is now the answer. Okay, next given, 3 over w minus 1 minus 2 over w plus 1. So, since medyo simple pa yung given, we can use yung method na ginawa kanina. So, multiply lang natin itong dalawa. So, this will become 3 times quantity w plus 1. Then, itong dalawa, minus 2 times quantity w minus 1 all over w minus 1 times w plus 1. So quantity w minus 1 times w plus 1. Then use distributive property. So we have to distribute 3 to the terms inside the parentheses. Magiging 3w plus 3. Then distribute naman natin sa 2 to the terms inside the parentheses. So since ito ay may minus na dito, so negative 2 times w, this will become negative 2w. Then negative 2 times negative 1, this will become plus 2 all over w minus 1 times w plus 1. Next, combined similar terms. So 3w minus 2w. So this will become 3 minus 2 is 1. So no need to write 1, so we will write W. Then 3 plus 2, so become plus 5 over W minus 1 times W plus 1. Since itong dalawa ay product of sum and difference of two binomials, pwede natin silang i-multiply, or W plus 5 all over W squared minus 1. Okay, next, 3x minus 1 over x plus 2x plus 2 over x plus 1. Okay, now tingnan muna natin dito sa 2x plus 2. Mapapansin nyo may common, which is 2. So, write lang muna natin ito. Unang given, 3x minus 1 over x plus. So, may common dito, yung 2. So, common monomial factor, 2. Then, 2x divided by 2. So, x plus 2 divided by 2 is 1. All over x plus 1. Kung mapapansin nyo, we can simplify itong x plus 1 sa numerator and x plus 1 sa denominator. So, magiging 1 na lang siya. Okay? So, mas madali nang i-multiply or kunin yung LCD rather. So, 3x minus 1 over x plus 2 over 1. So, magiging ito, multiply lang natin, 3x minus 1 plus 2 times x. So, ang 2x over, all over, x times 1 is x. Then, combine yung similar terms sa numerator, 3x plus 2x. So, become 5x minus 1 over x. Given 8 over p squared plus 12p plus 36 minus 9 over p squared plus 7p plus 6. Okay. Check muna natin if factorable yung denominator para mas mabilis natin makuha yung LCD. So, this is an example of perfect square trinomial. So, yung factors niya ay p plus 6 times p plus 6. Then, this is an example of general trinomial. So, factorable din siya. So, p squared, p, then p. Since positive naman lahat, so plus, plus. Then, yung factors ni 6, pag pinag-add, ang sagot ay 7 is 1 times 6. So, p plus 1 and p plus 6. Then, kunin na natin yung LCD. Okay, so p plus 6, then p plus 6. So, quantity p plus 6 times quantity p plus 6. Now, since may p plus 6 naman na dito, so no need to write another p plus 6. Sulat natin din. Times p, times quantity, p plus 1. So, dito din, ganun din. So, quantity p plus 6 times quantity p plus 6 times p plus 1. Next. Yung kagaya din doon sa review natin, divide sa denominator, then multiply sa numerator. Okay, so pag dinivide natin, so quantity p plus 6 times quantity p plus 6 times quantity p plus 1 divided by quantity p plus 6 times quantity p plus 6. So ito, wala na, matitira yung p plus 1. Mumultiply natin sa 8. So sa numerator, 8 times quantity p plus 1. Then, dito naman, itong dalawang to, so ito wala na, matitira plus 6. Then, multiply natin sa 9. So, 9 times quantity p plus 6. Next, distribute na natin. So, distribute 8 to the terms inside the parentheses. This will become 8p plus 8. Then, so since ito po ay subtraction, so ito po pala ay negative. And sulat lang natin yung LCD. Then, sulat ko lang yung LCD. Then, negative 9 times p is negative 9p. Then, negative 9 times positive 6 is negative 54. Then, combined similar terms. Sulat ko lang yung p plus 6, yung LCD natin. P plus 1. So, this will become, since magkaiba sila ng symbol, we have to subtract or ng sign. We have to subtract 8 minus 9. This will become negative 1. No need to write 1, so we will write negative p. Then 8 minus 54, negative 46. Or, pwede nating i-multiply or i-simplify ito by multiplying in denominator natin. Plus 46. So this is p squared plus 12p plus 36 times p plus 1. So this will become p cubed. Pag minultiply natin, plus 12p squared plus 36p. Then, p squared plus 12p plus 36. Or p cubed plus 12 plus 1, this will become 13p squared. 36 plus 12 plus 48p plus 36.